Are you looking for the best tea boxes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tea boxes. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MYGIFT tea storage box. While we could wax poetic about the charming rustic appeal of this grey wood design or the ample storage it provides, roughly 18 bags for every one of its 8 holders, it's the functioning compartmentalized drawer that's the real draw here. In it, you can house stirrers for your tea, sugar or Splenda packages, creamer, you name it, making for a full one-stop tea service stop. Moving on at number 4, we have the wall mount tea storage box. If you've got no room at the inn when it comes to your countertop space, this wall mount tea storage box, which comes with pre-drilled holes and included hanging accessories, will be an easy way to give yourself a little extra breathing room. The 3 tiers and 12 compartments are adjustable, ensuring they'll work for whatever collection you've got brewing, and the rack is made from a sustainable bamboo you'll feel good about purchasing. Just sure to keep your shorter shelf life teas, like greens and light oolongs, in the back. At number 3, we have the Signature Living Bamboo Tea Box. The Signature Living Bamboo Tea Box is our favorite tea box thanks to its unique combination of a rustic, eye-catching design and thoughtful touches. This particular tea box is made out of bamboo, which is a readily renewable material that is well known for its environmentally friendly characteristics. The lid swings open freely on its hinges, with a transparent center panel that allows the contents to be visible at a glance with the lid closed. One particularly convenient feature is the built-in drawer that pulls out from under the center organizers. It's designed to accommodate strainers, spoons, infusers, and any other tea accessories that would otherwise be floating loose in a random kitchen drawer. The compartments inside the box are adjustable as well, giving you plenty of flexibility in terms of storage options for tea bags and other equipment. Considering the sub-$30 price tag and robust build quality, this tea box steamrolls the competition and earns our top recommendation. At number 2, we have the Lipper International Tea Box. If you don't need 8 compartments or are looking for a slimmer profile tea box, we recommend the 5-section Lipper Bamboo Tea Box. This box offers 5 equally spaced storage compartments, and the bamboo box design is also unique enough to display other accessories besides tea, jewelry, crafts, and even hardware accessories such as screws and nails. The acrylic lid wraps from the base of the lid and over the front of the box to provide a better look inside the container. And finally at number 1, we have the TWINNINGS Sampler Assortment Tea Storage Box. You'll get more than a container when you order this assortment sampler. It comes fully stacked with 80 bags of TWINNINGS tea in 16 different flavors, like green tea pomegranate and raspberry and honeybush mandarin orange. What's more, the MDF box it comes in is largely covered, sans for the attractive carving at the top, to keep your tea at its maximum freshness. Better yet, you'll be able to use the container long after the included tea is gone. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.